Okay, this is an open-ended question. There's nothing I'm going to write. You're just listening. So I'm going to write list, listen to audio because you can basically answer this in a lot of different ways. And I'm just going to say a real life example of two planes and their intersection um, would be, let's say, two walls. Well, let's say the wall of a classroom and the floor of a classroom, right? And the edge along the floor is their intersection. That's a line that runs along the base of the floor, okay? The baseboard, so to speak. Um, you could also have the plane that is the top of a box and the plane that is the side of a box. And where do they meet? They meet at that edge of that box, okay? You can think of your computer where the keyboard is, right? Say your laptop computer is open. The keyboard and uh, touchpad surface, that can be considered a plane. The screen, another plane. Where do they meet? They meet together at the hinge of the computer. So if you were to fold your screen down, that line along which you're rotating when you rotate the screen down, that hinge uh, edge right there, that's another example of two planes and where they intersect. Okay? There's a million different examples of this, but hopefully you just generally understand that. So